So now that you have your fancy new
Anime girl voice, I'm sure you want to learn how to use this voice in Discord or any other program or game.
It's actually a lot simpler than you think. Let's go and hop right into the tutorial. So to start, you're going to need to head to this website to download a virtual audio cable. Now this is completely free and relatively easy to install. You simply click the download button for your appropriate system. Once this file is done downloading, go ahead and extract it into this new folder. And then once you're in this new folder, go ahead and right click this setup.exe and then run it as administrator. It'll ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. You hit yes. Now, since I already have this downloaded, it's not letting me open it again. So basically just follow the prompts and then install the audio cable. It should say like install this device software. And then you just install that. And then once that's done installing, go ahead and restart your computer. Now, with your computer restarted, go ahead and go back into your voice changing software. All you have to do is go to the output and select cable input. This is the new virtual audio cable that we just installed. And all this essentially does is link this software specifically where the input is to where we're going to direct it, aka the output. Now head on over to your Discord voice and video settings, and for the input device, choose the cable output. And with that, the two programs are successfully linked. Now you just start the voice and then head back here and let's check it.
And back here, and let's.
So we could see it was working, and it's currently detecting the voice.
And it's currently detecting the voice.
Now, this mic test is inherently going to be worse than an actual call, but if it's sounding bad, what I would recommend you do is apply this little fix. Essentially, all you got to do is go to Task Manager, then hit Details, and then find this audio dg.exe file. And then what you're going to want to do is right-click this file and hit Set Affinity. Now, it should have all processors select here, but you're going to want to do one or two. I'm just going to choose one, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm also going to just set the priority to high just to make sure it knows that this is a high priority thing to focus on. And with that, your voice should be sounding a lot better. Now I just made this guest account on Discord and I'm just going to call my main account. So now that we're in, we should be able to hear ourselves. And it sounds pretty good and it's working through Discord. Now, I've had many requests on also showing gameplay with this voice changer. So I went ahead and loaded up Valorant, and I'm going to show you how to enable this as well. And the same process should be very similar in all games that have a voice chat, so, just apply it to your own game. Now just go ahead and open up your settings, go over to audio, voice chat, and then in your input device, just select cable like usual. And then let's go ahead and turn the loopback test on to make sure it's actually working. And as we can see here, it is working just fine. Now, if it sounds like it's cutting out a little bit like it just did there, try lowering this mic sensitivity threshold. That should help it hear some of the lower parts and just make it a little less choppy. And so once you've confirmed that that is all working, you should be good to go. Now, I have also gotten questions on how the performance is playing a game as well as using the voice changer. So I'm just going to do a quick test match in Valorant and sort of see how this is working and how my system compares just to like how it normally does. And just for reference, I do have a GTX 1080, so it's not the worst, but it's also not the best. So it's probably a good average point to just test this kind of thing. And yes, I am new to Valorant, so I'm not super great yet.
Now, since this game mode in particular doesn't have voice chat, and I didn't want to get into like a long game, I just switched the audio output to a different output than I have, so that way it would at least still be running as I'm playing the game. And so far, I haven't noticed a loss of frames at all. It seems to be running just fine, and I should be on all high settings. So far it hasn't been terrible and is overall pretty good. So I'm quite happy with the results. I think, for those of you who have a semi good system, you should be able to play games as well as run this voice changer with little to no issue.
And I also do want to mention that I am also recording this video, which is using OBS, which also usually takes a decent amount of processing power. So overall, my system is taking this like a champ. And I cannot compare, my system to yours. So everyone's is going to be a little different, but, just go ahead and test yours out and see, because it might just work and it might surprise you. I also have been requested to do the
I also have been requested to do the
and as you can tell, it works pretty well. Now, I will say, for those of you playing with this voice changer, you'll want to be wary because there is a delay. And with the delay, if you're like, oh man, I just died, that's going to happen like 10 seconds after you die. So you got to really control, what specifically you're reacting to, because it's going to be delayed by 5 to 10 seconds depending on your system and everything. Now, overall, that match was really good, and I didn't experience any issues. It played just like how I normally play, and that's amazing considering how I'm using OBS to record a video, and I'm running the voice changer, and, this game is on high graphics. So overall, I'm very pleased with the results of this test. So, it might just work fine for you. But yeah, I believe that covered everything that I wanted to talk about, that answered a lot of some of the more popular questions that I have received. If you have any other questions, please comment them down below, and I'll try to answer as many as I possibly can. Thank you so much for watching and for all of the support in the recent videos. And to discover more awesome AI tools like this one, check out our website at ai-search.io.